Dude, I can't even put my foot under it. Oh, bro. What is up, guys? My name is C5 Colson. Hope y'all are having a great day. As you see from the title, I'm getting some coilovers for my C5 Corvette, BC coilovers. So there is a little catch. I'm only getting the rear coilovers. My friend that I know is selling some BC coilovers. He can only use the front on his C5. So I'm getting brand new rear coilovers, which is great because I can go lower and stiffer. Eventually, I'm either gonna buy the new coilovers or eventually just get bags, because that is the end goal, is to get bags. He's a little further out, like an hour drive, so I'm gonna see y'all there. I'm really excited because I've never had coilovers before. I had a lifted truck before this, and you know, like the Corvette, they have lowering springs, and like, I don't know, cars make me so excited because this is like my first time doing things, and like watching people install coilovers, you know, getting to lower and all that, that's just so cool to me. I'm also really curious to how it's gonna feel only in the rear too, because I know coilovers are gonna handle and feel way better than you know, the lowering bolts. I'm gonna let y'all know how that is. All right, I arrived. I'm not gonna show the neighborhood because this is not my house. This is a nice neighborhood. All right, he's pulling up in his Corvette. He has a atomic orange C6, so. All right, guys, got the coils. They're in the back. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. Forgot to record that, but it's okay. It went well. Super good deal, dude. $250 for brand new BC coilovers. Can't get better than that, man. All right, guys, here they are. So like I said, this is only the rear coils, but man, these are sick. They're actually pretty heavy. Bro, that's so cool. Boys are so cool. A deal was a deal, and I want to thank my friend for holding on to these because I've been actually trying to get them for a while, but my I'm broke. This means three things. This means I can go lower, I can fix, like, go stiffer, and it will handle better. So, all right, what is up, guys? It's like a week later since I got the coilovers, but yeah, we're about to install them. Let's go. Okay, so this is my current fitment. The front tires poke, like I was telling y'all before, but the gap is way better. So my goal is, when I put the coilovers on, is I'm gonna get the gap basically the same, maybe even a tiny bit lower. Also, one more thing before I put the coilovers on, I'm wanting to tint my car. 25% windshield in the front looks really good, but I'm debating on doing 35 because I don't want to get pulled over all the time and get tickets. I'm unemployed, so I don't need any tickets. It's the last thing I need.
So we're going to remove the factory leaf spring and then the factory shock.
All right, got the shock out. Now I'm gonna put the coilovers in, and then I'm gonna take out the leaf spring, and then we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so I thought you could use the original bolts because that's what some people say, but the flange on this is way thinner than on there, if you can tell. So these are the original bolts right here, and this is the bolt I'm using and replacing with. It's way longer than the original one. This side is basically done. We just have to tighten some things back and, you know, lower it and take the leaf spring out. Then we have to do the other side, so it's not that bad. All right, we got this side fully finished. With help of my dad, we got done in like an hour, I believe, on this side. It's my first time doing coilovers, so. But we have the leaf spring already dropped off. Obviously, I still gotta do the adjustments of the height. My goal is to be a little under 2 fingers from the tire because that's how the front are. But yeah, I'm really curious how it's gonna ride just having the rear on. But yeah, I'm gonna take a little break real quick. I haven't ate anything in a while, so we just gotta do the other side. I'll see y'all then. All right, other shock out. All right, we got this side almost already done. All you have to do is take off the tie rod. You don't have to drop the sway bar arm. Then you can take the leaf spring off. You don't have to, you know, do that first or anything. It's actually really not that hard. No, it needs to go lower. We serious? Yeah. I did all that turn for nothing?
What did it do? It went higher.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
You sure?
still.
You think it has to settle? No, it went lower. Because it's 3 fingers now.
What was it for?
Like my whole hand. I wanted 2 fingers, so gotta take it off again.
Dude, this is so exhausting to do. There has to be an easier way to do this.
Okay, I believe I'm maxed out because the top is not spinning at all anymore. But see how bad the ride quality is with this.
See this?
Yeah.
What does that say? Take a picture of that.
All right, I wanted to go lower, so I messed with the preload. It's worth the sacrifice, right? Is it lower?
Really?
No? It's 2 fingers now. Right here it is. Okay. All right, I'm doing the other side now. Bro, that crap is tiring. Loki thought I'd be a little lower, and I believe it's gonna settle a little bit. But yeah, I'm curious how it's gonna handle because I messed with the preload. But I just want to be low. Eventually, like I said, I am gonna get bags, but it's pretty cool to be on coilovers, you know what I mean? Okay, I apologize for the lighting. All right, so I'm in the long process of lowering it now. I'm low-key, like, I wish it was lower. I thought I was gonna be like a TikTok stance guy, but it's still lower than it was originally. And I'm sure the ride quality is going to be better than the lowering bolts. So we'll see. Okay, time to see the final result. Got the other side finished up. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, wait, this side's lower. I can barely fit 2 fingers in this side. Let's see about this side. Ooh. Okay, that's way better. I have to cut in the inside right here because I'm gonna hit it. I don't have to cut that much. Dude, that looks sick. Ignore me bleeding. I just head bunted my car with my piercing. But I'm pretty sure these still have to settle. These are brand new. Dude, this is gonna look sick. Alright guys, got everything all done. Really excited to see what it looks like because it's raining, so it's gonna look sick. Just fixing the little things up here and there. And yeah, it's gonna look really good. I'm really excited. Bro. Dude, these look sick. Look how much lower I am, bro. Okay, I'm a little squatty. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I get my new tires, that should fix that. Like, I don't know. I am a little squatted. We'll see about that. I may have to raise the front or the rear just a tiny bit. Oh, that's so cool. Dude, I can't even put my foot under it. I think I made it a little too low. Yeah, guys, I made it a little too low. Like, I had a bump and my side skirt hit the ground. But this looks so much better than before. I'm gonna have to change my alignment in the front. Either lower it somehow. I'm gonna buy coilovers, but I don't have coilover money for the front right now. So, new tires, I'm going to be doing that hopefully tomorrow. And then, when I get my alignment, I'm gonna run camera in the front, but not the rear. I think that'll look pretty good. Just got Chipotle, and bro, this car looks so much better lowered in the rear, because normally it's raked, you know what I mean? Or I had it raked before. Oh, I love it so much, bro. So just real quick, SMUL has sent me out their air freshener for me to try. It came with 3 different scents. So this is actually magnetic, and I already have the cologne scent in it. But it's really easy, you just pop them in like pods. And just like that, the car smells 1,000 times better. This actually smells super good, and I have like 15 plus colognes, and I can show y'all proof if y'all want to see that. But yeah, it smells really, really good. Thank you so much, SMUL, for sending me this. And their Instagram is right here if you want to check them out. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm super happy the way this looks. Sorry it's dark outside. Literally, I can't even get 2 fingers fully under here. It's crazy. especially on this side. Oh, bro, this side's a little lower for some reason, but when I reverse the camber, there's gonna be no gap in that. That's crazy. All right, guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I've been lacking on the vlogs. I've been a little busy with school, so hope y'all enjoyed the video though, and I hope y'all like the coilovers. I definitely need to get the coilovers in the front, but y'all are about to like what I'm about to do next. I'm buying new front tires, and it's gonna completely change like the front fitment, because that's the one thing I cannot stand on this car. But I'm really excited because everything I've dreamed of on this car is coming true, and I can finally spend my money on something else because I've been spending my money only on my car. But yeah, guys, I know y'all do love the POV videos and y'all like the vlogs and more like the lifestyle kind of thing. It's definitely gonna make more videos like that. I need to get a cameraman because I think that'd be pretty, you know, cool. I could just have someone record me while I'm walking around and talking. But yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.